Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today I want to show you how to install your Defender Fender Flares on your Defender. There are several ways you can do this. The way I like to do it is set it in place, fit it where you like it, and drill the first 2 holes that you can reach. Now that you have your first 2 holes drilled, you can take some of your push pins from your kit and hold it in place. Now that you have it held in place by your push pins, you want to take a marker and go back and mark your holes to drill everywhere else. Now that you have the rest of your holes drilled, you just simply put the rest of your rivets in place. Now that you have your fender flare attached to the vehicle, you can go ahead and pop rivet your Thumper Fab emblem to the bike. The front comes in 2 pieces. You'll bolt your upper and lower piece together. Once you do that, you can follow the same procedure that you used in the rear. Now that you have your 2 pieces bolted together, you can set it where you like it and drill 2 holes. Now that you got your front done, you can go ahead and complete the other side, and then you're ready to hit the trail. Thank you for calling Thumper Fab.